So the next trick I'm going to be showing you today is vertical punches or vertical loops. I learned them as vertical loops. Some people call them vertical punches, but it's pretty much the same trick. What you're doing is you want to learn shoot the moon first. You want to learn the shoot the moon motion to get the yo-yo to raise up into the air. Because the next step to this is actually to keep that yo-yo in the air in that same direction. So this is what vertical loops looks like. You're repeatedly shooting the yo-yo back up over your head. It's not coming back down in front of you. It's just going straight up over and over again. To do this, you want to have a strong shoot the moon motion, just like so. And what happens is as the yo-yo comes back down, instead of letting it just continue back out, watch my hand here. I actually just make a quick flicking backwards motion. This is what helps keep the yo-yo up in the air, just like that. Just repeat this. It's almost kind of like a backwards looping motion. So instead of a loop where you kind of turn your hand in towards your body and around, this is going outside and away, making a circular motion. One more time for vertical loops. It comes up, around, over and over again. You can then either catch the yo-yo up in the air, as I miss. I'll try that again. You can either catch, or for vertical loops, you can actually shoot it back out again and catch like so. That's vertical loops, another one that takes a lot of practice, but it's key for a lot of the two-handed looping tricks you're going to learn.